Well, let's go somewhere and get some footage. Get in the car and go somewhere. Come on, my friends, why not? Got my camera backpack on with my camera gear in it, inside of it. Let's go somewhere and get some footage. On the way down, I will carry the trash down. I'm driving my Mercury Mountaineer. I will dump the trash down here by the road in the dumpster. Hope everyone's having a wonderful day. I am. This has been a warm, sunny day. And so I'm going to carry my trash down. And I'm thinking about going somewhere close to a river, on the river bank, so I can get some good footage. I'll see you on the road. Sitting on the dock of the bay, wasting time. I left my home in Georgia, headed for the Frisco Bay. Do-do-do. Come on, people, what they do? Let the Indy 500 out. Yeah. Sitting on the dock of the bay, wasting time. Let me get my camera straight. I think that's straight about right there, give or take. Get my camera where it needs to be, and I quit fiddle-faddling around with it. About right there. That's it. Sorry about moving the camera around. I'm sitting on the dock of the bay, wasting time. Left my home in Georgia, headed for the Frisco Bay. 2,000 miles to get there. Ain't nothing gonna stand in my way. Hey. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Sitting on the dock of the bay, wasting time. Left my home in Georgia. She thinks my tractor sexy. It really turns her on. It's a beautiful day in Kingsport, Tennessee. It's a beautiful day in Kingsport, Tennessee. It's a beautiful day, and I'm so thankful that God allowed me to live another day. Yes, I am. I'm so thankful God allowed me to live another day. I'm really thankful. I'm really thankful. I count my blessings each and every day. I count my blessings every day. I'm gonna get me a large Coke.
Like try some of our new spicy nuggets.
Oh ma'am, I want a large Coke to go, please.
Alright, so that'll be all for you?
That'll be it.
Be $1.10, thank you.
You're welcome. Didn't get no food, people. I'm trying to watch my weight. And I usually don't drink Cokes but once in a blue moon. You know, y'all see me making the Coke videos. Once a week, I probably drink a Coke, or maybe twice, according on what kind of mood I'm in. And today's been a nice, pleasant day. It was 46 degrees this morning. Yesterday, I think the high was 72, 73. Today is Tuesday. Monday morning, yesterday morning, it was 41 degrees. Like I said, 41 yesterday, a high about 72. Today, I think it's supposed to be about 70. I'm not sure what it is. I haven't looked at my phone. I think it's about 75 degrees. Thank you. Have a good day.
You too.
This handicapped person in front of me don't know where they want to go. Got handicap tag on. Let's head to the car wash. Last night, me and Sonia was over here at Colonial Heights at the car wash, and she used her bank card. We were in the Chevy Impala, and we were getting the one that's called the Works. It washes the undercarriage and everything. For the premium Works, and it was $11, and it took our bank card, and the purchase of the car wash went through the $11 premium car wash called the Works. But when we put it to the bay, the wash would never turn on. So I called last night when I was over here at 11:30 p.m. about 11:20 p.m. I called, well, it's actually about 10 after 11. I called, I left it, it had two numbers, emergency numbers. I called one of the numbers, left a message. He called me back, and so he gave us a code. He gave us a code to put in the machine, so we get 2 free car washes. Well, not free, one of them's free, because we paid for one. So we're getting 1 free car wash. The one that's $11 called the Works. So I'm gonna wash my Mercury Mountaineer, and Sonia will be able to wash her Chevy Impala. But that was nice of them to give us a free car wash. When I get over here, I'm going to make a video called "The Car at the Car Wash," and I will sing and dance and record the footage when I'm probably using my, I don't know, I thought about using my camcorder, but it's not waterproof, so I better use my GoPro Hero 8 Black, which is the camera on the dash. And by the way, I'm recording this video with my GoPro Hero 8 Black on the dash, 2.7K, 60 frames per second, narrow field of view. I'm using the narrow field of view. That gives me like a 35mm format footage, like if I'm using, you know, a regular Kodak 35mm camera. That's pretty much about what it's equivalent to. It makes everything look normal, in other words, if you use the narrow field of view. But I think if I'm walking and vlogging, I like to use my linear field of view. I'm in a school zone, that's why I slowed down. In the school zone. I used to go to this car wash right here on the left, right here on Moreland Drive, called Quality Car Wash. I quit going because half the time the thing's out of soap. You put your $1.75 in, it only takes a quarter to start this one, but half the time it don't have no soap. So I started going to this one over here in Colonial Heights called Wash World. Wash World. So here we go. We'll go over here and wash this Mercury Mountain here. I will go somewhere and walk and get a little more footage. Thanks for riding along. It's the big old show. I appreciate it. It's turned out to be a pleasantly warm day. It's not hot. It's perfect temperature. When I get up here, I have to look at my phone. If I had to guess, I'd say 73, 74 degrees. Well, there's a bank right up here that'll tell us. Right here. Right past Food City. Right before I get to the car wash right here at that.